In today's video, you're going to get to see a whole bunch of beautiful cars. Hello everybody and welcome to Classic Car ChitChat. My name is Kevin. We are here in beautiful Erin Mills and we have a car show for you. There are tons of absolutely stunning and beautiful cars. So without further ado, let's hop in, let's go for a drive and let's check out some beautiful cars.
Very difficult for the judges. If I could give a trophy to every single person that came here, I would. I know in this generation of participation awards, it doesn't really count, but if I could give everybody a trophy, I would. But from my heart.
Tell me your name, sir.
Bob Ballin.
Bob, what do you have here, sir?
So it's a 1936 Ford called a slantback sedan. I bought it in 2001. If you look at the picture on the windshield, you can see what I bought.
No way.
Yeah.
Man, nothing like the original there, but wow.
So I had to build a new frame for it. It's got all 87 Corvette suspension throughout. Car has 6 computers in it. Everything's electronic on it. It's got a small block Chevy built by a NASCAR builder in Tennessee. It's a small block 427 stroker engine. Puts out 600 horse. 585 foot-pounds of torque. Yeah,
Not the third brake light.
Third brake light.
Wow,
yeah. You see the taillights there hidden also.
Oh,
see
you've
the way
done a great
blended
job.
in. So take a look at the dash because my buddy painted the dash. He wood grained it.
No, you mean it's not real wood?
That's paint.
Ah,
So
fabulous.
The guy that painted is a guy I went to high school with.
No way.
Dennis Rabitson. He paints motorcycles.
Okay.
And I said to him, I want him to paint the car. He said, I haven't painted a car in 50 years. So he did it all. And then he wanted to do the dash. I was going to cover the dash in a leather. And he says, no.
Let's do it right.
I'm so glad I let him do it because
beautiful.
It's a feature of the car now.
Totally.
So.
Thank you so much.
506-547, we got a winner? Oh, the deputy chief's nephew.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I gotta talk to you. Right-hand drive at that.
Again, that's going to be about a half an hour for the 50-50. The last call for the rest of the door prize. Apparently, Maple Lodge Farm has all sorts of glizzies still. The Overgate is all a hot dog, so they don't have to take them back. Was there something else I was supposed to announce? No, I think that's it.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. Talk to me about it. Can I give you the mic? Here, hang on
Are we
to
ready to
this.
go with those announcements?
It's yours? Beautiful.